evil creature of the night, killer of mouse and other vermins. I got you! Ha ha! You can't flee away from me! You can't!
Hey, Jantje here. I'm demonstrating here how to install the Arduino Eclipse plugin on Ubuntu 14. I'm doing this on a VMware, which is really slow, so I speeded up most of the movie and put some audio on it later. So the first thing we do is we go to my website and we download the latest version, because we're talking about 3.0 toddler here, and we download it and we'll unpack it. One of the things you should be aware of with Ubuntu is that the Arduino Eclipse plugin version 3 needs Java 8. Java 8 does not come as a package in Ubuntu, so you have to run the commands you see here to install it properly, the Oracle Java. Once Oracle Java is installed and the plugin is uncompressed, you can start it. Open a workspace, and there you go. Now, the first thing the plugin does is download everything from the AVR boards and platforms. As long as that's not done, you're not able to use the plugin. It will tell you when you try to create a new sketch that you need to wait. And after that's done, you're ready. So here we are. So we'll create a new project, and exactly the same like the old Arduino Eclipse plugin. And here you see that there's no boards.txt list because there's only one. There's only Arduino AVR. I'll make another movie on how to add other boards. And we'll select a project for to create just one of the examples to get going, to make an example, nothing specific. The nice thing about V3 is that when you create your project, all the libraries are automatically included in your project. Everything is actually done automatically, just like in the Arduino IDE. So once you've created a project, you can just compile it and upload it without problems. You can see also that the name of the project is not only your name, but also the board which you've selected here. So here it says it's an Arduino Leonardo. If you change the board to another board, you will see the change. You will see change there. It provides you the name and the port which is being used to upload and connect the serial monitor. So this is the first project. Now I'm changing the port name, so you can see the port name is also added to the name of the project. This is exactly the same as in the old Arduino Eclipse plugin. There's nothing new here except for it's shown in the project manager. So here you can see he added the port name, which gives you a far better overview of which hardware you're using and which hardware you're supposed to use. So we're creating a new project here, just another project, but this time I'll make sure that there's libraries involved so that you can see that the libraries are immediately included. Just like in the Arduino Eclipse plugin. There's no need to do the import library, though you still can, but if you haven't, it'll do it for you. So we'll select a servo example. The knob. Due to a bug, you didn't see that MIDI was still selected from the previous version, and that MIDI Bindini will be in the part of the project as well. But as you can see, server is there, which was also with the previous version. You have knob.dino and we will now delete midi.inu because it's just not supposed to be there. And now MIDI is deleted. I'll show you the power of the new functionality of auto library include. We will just go to the editor. We type include library, any library, and as soon as we save, it will automatically find all libraries needed and add these. So we're adding here sd.h, and you see that he's adding SD and SPI, which is actually more powerful than what you have with the Arduino IDE, because for the Arduino IDE you need to add SD and SPI both, and he'll compile and run fine. So that's all. Thank you.